So we are at Bath and Body Works at the Mall of Emirates. Huge sale going on here. And this sale is only till July 29. So let's get inside and see what products we have. And if you're interested in any of this, don't forget to come in and check it out. So as we enter, I could see a small stand for 19 dirhams. Each product is for 19 dirhams. There is Life of the Party, Fairy Tale. I was initially attracted to the Life of the Party, but then I thought I would get inside and check more, and then I'll finalize what to buy. And as I went to the next promotion stand, you have like a combo gift box with the spray, lotion and a gel. I could see Dark Kiss here. It's one of my favorites. All those are under promotion. These products which I'm showing here are for 39 dirhams each, and the gift set pack is for like 149 dirhams. Lovely collections. If you want to gift somebody, this is the perfect opportunity to walk in and buy a set. As we were walking around, then we saw a newly launched product called the Coco Paradise. It was just launched 3-4 days back, and if you're somebody who loves tropical smell of like coconut, then do try this. They have a lot of variety of cream, lotion, shower gel, even candles, and each is 39 dirhams. But if you're buying 2, then you'll get 1 free of any of your choice. That's amazing, right? And then we could see scented candles. That's for 35 dirhams. You have different types of scents. Here also you have buy 2 get 1 free. There are newly launched products also in this. One is the starfruit and mandarin scent. And then you have blue bungalow. It's a salted sea breeze, eucalyptus and floral scent. Newly launched products have like a small banner, like how I showed the Coco Paradise, and then the Ebony Sands, another scent. This all are buy 2 get 1 free options. And then you have a small section with your travel must-haves. Cute small lotions, gels, creams. There are more products on sale, but I couldn't cover all that due to the huge rush in the store. So don't miss it out, and do visit the store before July 29th. For promotional and sales videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned.